Here I've got Apple iPad Air from 2020, and let me show you how to activate dark mode on the following device. So at first you should open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here under appearance, so at the top of the list, you will notice light or dark display. So let me choose dark, and as you can see it has been already applied, so you can smoothly use your device in this dark mode. And obviously whenever you would like to switch it off, you would have to open display and brightness one more time and mark a light. You can also choose automatic mode, so if you will click here you can choose options, and you can either have it from sunset to sunrise or on custom time, so here you can pick when light mode would be turned on and when dark would be applied. So we can choose, for example, 11, and that's it. So basically that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.